Hi, I'm going to work on a tic-tac-toe problem today. Tic-tac-toe problem, which is JavaScript basically, so that you can play tic-tac-toe. Okay, there are different ways to create a tic-tac-toe, but this is specifically using JavaScript. So I thought it's kind of interesting to see how this works, and also we can kind of make this tic-tac-toe with your own photos and images, and you can customize a little bit. Okay, first of all, you need to download Tictactoe, the zip file from Georgia View or Go View, depending on where you are. And again, depending on computer system, if you're on Windows system, you're going to use WinZip or whatever zip file or zip application you have on your computer. And if you have Mac system, it will be different program as well. But it's pretty simple to use. All you have to do is if the zip program is associated with the zip file already, all you have to just do is double click or right click. Then you're going to click extract so that your file will be extracted. Then you just assign where you're going to extract to in terms of folder. So you know where you're going to save your stuff. Then you click OK. Right? So I already extracted, so I'm not going to extract again. And here we go. Here's the files that are uncompressed, extracted from a zip file, and two different HTML, two different tic-tac-toe. First one, tic-tac-toe HTML.html is the original, and the other one, tic-tac-toe dog and cat, which is I basically customized with different images. So first of all, the original one, you know how tic-tac-toe works, but let's just try quick in case you have not done that before. Just you need to click first so that yours is X. So you're going to make it 3 in a row, and there, and there. So this is kind of draw. Then you just refresh, play again. Then I won. It says X is the winner, play again, you click OK. Then you go back to blank. So that's how it works. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do in terms of editing. And so I'm gonna open this HTML into Notepad. And it's not really long because it could be much longer, but this is relatively short in terms of, little game that you can play. Here's what we're going to do. So go down the list, and right there when you reach at function determine image, so you're going to change this image to your own. See that? X.gif. You're going to change this to your own. If it's dog, you type it in dog.gif. Or depending on. Be careful with the extension. Okay, there are so many different kinds of image file out there, okay, which is very confusing sometimes, but you need to follow the extension of the image which is created originally. Okay, if the extension is GIF, you just give it as .gif. The extension is JPEG, which is one of the most popular image file out there, would be JPG, .jpg. So depending on which extension, then you're gonna just have it file extension as your file appeared. Okay, and images slash, meaning that this GIF XGIF is stored in the images folder. Okay, so that's what you have to save it under. Okay, same thing here. O, you change it to something different. In my case, I change it to cat.gif. I think it was a GIF. It really doesn't matter GIF or again JPG depending on what you have. Okay, you should enter what you have, not following GIF as written right here. And blank, just leave it blank so that you have a blank image is also working. So that's all you have to change in terms of those customizing images right there. Okay. And one more thing in terms of modifying a little bit, go down a little bit. Then when you reach that function, check F1 function and notice that there are so many tictactoe.html, tictactoe.html all the way, right? Meaning that if situation is that one side is winner, then it's going to ask play again. Then when you click, then it'll go to tic-tac-toe, which is the front page, the first starting page. So that's what it is. Same thing. There are many situations that will go to tic-tac-toe.html. So it's like 10 different situations. So what you have to do is change it to your own HTML. In my case, again, I named it tic-tac-toe dog and cat. So same thing right here. You named it based on yours. I'll type it in tic-tac-toe dash dog and cat, right? Dash dog, oops, dog. I want to make it exactly same in terms of case, cat. Okay, so you want to follow uppercase, lowercase, exactly what you have. So tic-tac-toe, actually first letter is uppercase, so I'm going to make it T uppercase. Tic-tac-toe, dog and cat. So that's what you have to do. Just change all this to tic-tac-toe, dog and cat all the way. Okay, assuming that's yours. Okay, all the way to here. So that's it in terms of modifying this original tic-tac-toe.html to yours. Once you complete this modification, you go to File, save it as, so that you'll save it as your own tic-tac-toe. In my case, dog and cat, right? .html, then you click Save. All right. So once you've done that, you can go back to Images folder. That's important. Make sure Images folder has the file. In my case, I have cat and dog, right? So I have those two files are entered or copied. Okay, same thing. You should copy whatever the photos that you want to intend to use into images folder. Okay, so now I'm done. Okay, done with tic-tac-toe dog and cat and copied dog and cat into images folder. It's time to compress, time to zip. In order to do that, all you have to do is highlight those files that you want to zip. In my case, I'm going to just zip all of them to make it easier. So you highlight them. If your computer is set up typically, then all you have to do is just highlight them all, right click on it, then you'll have those settings are appear just like that in terms of zipping and unzipping. See that add to archive, that's what I'm going to click. Then it appears on the general tab. Make sure it is zip in terms of format. RAR file is fine, but I think it will stick to zip. Then you click OK. Once you click OK, as you can see, the zip file is created, tictactoe.zip. So that's why you're gonna submit. Okay, only one zip file. Why? Because under this zip file is everything is there, right? The one we just edited and images that you copied. Okay, so when I receive your zip file, I'm gonna just extract and just take a look what you got, and there you go. All right. So if you have any questions, let me know.